Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, there is a continuous upside we have seen week on week. As you can see, because of the increase in the uncertainty, the price is continuously moving upside. Okay, if you look at this trend, this candle, why it was forming, if you have seen the silver trend, one thing that you have to understand, silver has not touched its all-time high while the gold was continuously touching its all-time high. Okay, and if you have seen the silver price, it was around $50. It was very close to its high, that is $50. Okay, and the gold was already at continuously making higher and higher. Okay, and there was a very high probability that silver will touch a level of $50, as I've already explained you in my previous videos in the silver price. Okay, now what thing that you have to understand, and there was very high chances that the gold will also go upside as well as silver, that after touching $50, which is an all-time high, it can come down. And if you have seen, the price has come down in gold also and as well as silver also. Now, 2-3 things that you have to understand here in the price of gold and silver, but I will be explaining you in this gold prices, and silver I'll be uploading today or tomorrow. You can check my videos. Okay, and if you subscribe or you press the bell icon, you'll get the notification also. See, look at this particular chart. There is a continuous upside from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 weeks continuously there is a continuous rise. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, the price of gold, whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a fall. Okay, this is the pattern which I have already explained in my previous video, that this was the previous pattern it till around 2147. When the price has not crossed this particular level, this pattern is being formed. Okay, as soon as the price started going above this level, we have seen the other pattern is being formed. And what is the pattern? That it is continuously rising, and whenever it is making new high, we have seen a fall in this particular trend, as you can see. Okay, what this pattern was saying, that it was creating a U pattern and trying to make a new high, and these two levels are tested, and when it started rising, it was continuously rising. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see in the next week, see, this was the trend which was showing clearly that the price can rise, and there was a volume has been very high. Okay, you can see that the price, okay, for when the volume went high for a week, we have seen the price was moving down, but as soon as it started rising and sustain above a particular resistance, it was continuously rising. This was the time where it was showing a red candle. This is the red candle where the volume was high and the price was went down. But after that, as soon as it started going up 3400, there was a continuous upside we have seen, and the price continuously moving high, and it has made a half from $4058, as you can see looking at this particular chart. That is yesterday. Okay, the price has come down. Similarly, what we have seen in the silver, that it has crossed a level of 50. Actually, it has touched 51 and plus, and after that it came down. There was a very good movement in silver compared to gold, and everybody who has subscribed me have made a very good profit. So if you want to join, subscribe for the latest detailed analysis, you can mail me regarding that, and we'll discuss on a one-on-one basis, or you can join our broadcast. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if it started sustaining this level, the next resistance we can see coming at its all-time high from $4058. Okay, this is 4058, which is an all-time high. That you have to understand, as soon as the price started going above this level, what you have to do, you have to trail your SL by $10 to $15. Okay, keeping your quantity as per the volatility, putting your SL as per the volatility and target. Okay, and if you need assistance in this, you can mail me regarding that, and I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, or if your quantity is reduced, keep your SL by 15 to 20 or 20 to 50, increasing your targets. Okay, so if the price going above a level of 40.58, which is an all-time high, it can touch a level of 40.70 to a level of 4100. And as soon as the price started going above this level, probability of touching 4150 can be seen, and then to a level of 4180 to a level of 4200, and a further upside can be seen. Because what we have seen in the week period, if you have seen, the price from 38.84 had touched a level of 48.58. That is around 150, more than $150 dollars movement we have seen in this. Okay, now if the price started coming down, see, one thing that you have to note here is that whenever it is making a new high, I'm continuously telling you this, that whenever it makes a new high, we have seen a good fall. Okay, so remember that for only this particular time we have not seen a fall. But if you go on a day wise chart, you can see it is creating a red candle because it has already made a high and then it came down. So there can be a probability it started forming a swing. So best, again, you, what I'll say, you can trail your SL by 15 to $20 or 10 to $15. This is what you can do. Okay, so suppose if it started forming this level, it can come down again towards a level of $39.03, and if the price going below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards 38.90. Okay, and once the price falling below 38.90, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of $37.94, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around $37.62. Again, I repeat, as soon as the price started going below this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $39.03, which is a strong support after this particular level. And see, the gap is huge. Okay, because the price is trading at a level of 39.89, and then after that the support we can see on a weekly chart. Remember, it is a weekly chart. So the next support is coming at a level of $39.03. So your quantity will be as per that. Okay, so if the price touches a level of 39.03, trail your SL by 10 to $15 or 15 to $20 and decide your quantity and target or SL as for that. So once the price started falling below this level, the next support coming at a level of $38.90. Okay, and then a further downfall can be seen towards 37.94, and once the price started going below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards support 4, that is around $37.68, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen. Okay, and now remember, if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen towards a level of around $37.10, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. See, if you are trailing your SL, then if you are saving 70 to 80% of your profit, then still you will be in a very good position. Okay, because it has already touched a high and we can see a move towards downside. Okay, there is a higher probability of downside, but if it's remember, if it keeps sustaining above 39.03, we can see there can be a chances of bounce back. But if that didn't bounce back, keep this as an important point, and if the price keep moving off this level, a further upside can be seen. But if it started going below this level, we can see the price can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, or you can mail me for if you are a beginner, or if you want to understand how the market works. Okay, or if you are trading or investing and you need some guidance, you can mail me, and then we'll educate as per that. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.